This time we fix， 我们用这个 link 等于2 is most strictly because the one is not no meaningful. We don't want each know only one instance. So this part is most strictly. So we adapt, we tune in this part, 就是那个比例 percentage. Okay. Then we get the result. This is more not strictly. This is most strictly. It means, it means the last part, the view part, could not be more than 1% of the node. And we can see the training accuracy is getting improved, right? As the spillage getting more strictly, the accuracy is getting improved, right? But the testing accuracy not getting in the same direction. So please use your word. This is the assignment, please follow me. Okay. Please, then I'll use the different direction. I want this one. First, we want to know the overfitting. To find the overfitting. Observe. And then we pass this here. Okay, we use the screen pass. Please insert into the screen, and I want just this part. Yeah. Okay, this is the result. And okay, we will find the value. So I use the insert, find a square, just like this. I want to give us the blue, not blue. I think yellow is better. Okay, this I want it as yellow. Could it be yellow? No. Oh, the frame I want yellow and without blue violet. Okay, and the effect. No, I don't want the effect. I want just the. Is it not? Color. I want to be more broader. Okay. So we could observe how then we will see training accuracies from here. 好，这个是最简单的，好，最松的。OK， 你看 the lips 好是 19， 好，然后你的 depth 是9。Then when you improve, just split is only 9%. Then improve, right? Improve means 这两个都变高了 ，right? Improve both sides. 所以这边还是 under fitting， 对不对 ？Under 哦，然后到这边是不是也是 improve？ 好，不变，至少方向没有改变嘛 ，improve, right? The same direction. No matter the training accuracy or counting accuracy, they are improved. Okay, then also improve, improve, and improve, right? Agree? Okay, and here also improve. Okay, but 重点来咯，这上面两边至少是同方向，就是 the same direction. You improve, I also improve. Otherwise, I just stay this. You improve, I stay, 对吧 ？It's okay, but here the train improved, but the task decreased. Okay, so you can say when the是0.2的时候 ，the train ACC equal 0.922833 increase or improve. Still increase. But the past ACC, past ACC (0.9) is getting decrease 减少. It means the direction of train and task are start to pass. Starting to different. Start to different. Pass. When split before is over 50. And split larger than 2 is under 50. 好，就是它在0.02进入 over 50，然后当这个 larger 就是在这个 before 这个 part larger than 0.02 is under 50. Yeah. And the list will be 49. The depth will be 13. Okay. This is the first one. The second one. Oh, here it is. 要等你一下，给你看一下。所以这边在讲说，用这个表格，我们就可以知道参数在 tuning 的时候，我可以知道说，这边就变成了over 50。等你一下。